Looking at the landscape of affiliate marketing, many elements are changing while the core foundations stay the same. However, in recent times, with modern technology, there are even more ways to utilize these tools for more efficient working practices. The use of AI systems will greatly enhance and speed up workflows to create content faster, while also providing an unlimited supply of ideas to bring more eyes to your brand. Here we will look at some interesting ways of how you can use AI to build and scale your affiliate marketing business online. Data analysis and insights. AI algorithms can analyze website traffic, customer demographics, and purchasing patterns data. Extract valuable insights about customer behavior, preferences, and trends to inform marketing strategies. Targeted advertising. Implement AI-powered advertising platforms to create highly targeted ad campaigns. Utilize machine learning algorithms to segment audiences based on interests, demographics, and behaviors, ensuring ads reach the most relevant audience. Personalized recommendations. Employ AI recommendation engines to deliver personalized product recommendations to website visitors and email subscribers. Analyze user behavior and purchase history to suggest products that align with individual preferences, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Content creation and optimization. Use natural language processing (NLP) algorithms to generate high quality content for affiliate websites, blogs, and social media posts. Optimize content with AI driven tools to improve search engine visibility and engage audiences effectively. Chatbots and customer support. Imagine revolutionizing your customer support and assistance by implementing AI powered chatbots that provide instant and efficient service. Use natural language understanding (NLU) to interpret customer queries and provide relevant information or solutions, enhancing the overall user experience. Use predictive analytics to forecast trends and consumer behavior. Analyze historical data for informed decisions. Anticipate changes in market demand. Identify emerging product categories and adjust affiliate marketing strategies accordingly to stay ahead of the competition. Campaign optimization. Employ AI-driven algorithms to optimize affiliate marketing campaigns continuously in real time. Achieving maximum return on investment (ROI) is possible by confidently adjusting targeting parameters, bidding strategies, and ad creatives based on performance data. Fraud detection and prevention. Use AI algorithms to detect fraudulent activities such as click and affiliate fraud. Implement anomaly detection techniques to identify suspicious patterns and proactively prevent fraudulent behavior. Conversion rate optimization (CRO). Use AI-powered tools to conduct A/B and multivariate testing of landing pages, ad creatives, and calls to action. Analyze user behavior and performance metrics to identify optimization opportunities and improve conversion rates. Competitive intelligence. Employ AI-powered competitive analysis tools to monitor competitor activities, strategies, and performance metrics. Achieve a competitive edge in affiliate marketing by gaining expert insights into marketing trends, industry benchmarks, and best practices. Refine your strategies with confidence and stay ahead of the game. By integrating AI technologies into various aspects of affiliate marketing, businesses can streamline operations, improve targeting accuracy, enhance user experiences, and drive sustainable growth in revenue and profitability. This is just a small portion of what is possible with regards to AI systems and business building methods that can be used alongside affiliate marketing strategies. And if you want to see what other possibilities you can use to build your business even further, then you should check out this next video that will look at these methods in more detail that can help you scale your affiliate marketing business for long-term success.